Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove apps on Windows 10. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to remove apps on Windows 10. First, just click in the Windows icon. After that, click Settings. And then click Apps. And then click Apps and Features. Okay, you can find you can search the app in the search bar, or just you can scroll down and find the app. Okay, for example, if I want to remove this app, Bonjour, just click on it and then click uninstall and then uninstall again. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to remove apps on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.